Welcome back, lovely people, to another Temu video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us a code for €100 coupon bundle, okay? This bundle is going to help you get really low prices on your items. If you're a new app user, yes, especially for new app users, once you have this bundle, a lot of your items are going to be discounted. Now, all you need to do is to download the Temu app with the link I'll be leaving in the description, the €100 coupon bundle link, or you can download the app and then search this code in your Temu app search bar, ACR 609164. Okay, ACR 609164. I can go ahead to search this link, but nothing is going to happen because I'm not a new app user, so it's not going to work for me. But I'm going to be showing you what it's going to look like if you're a new app user. I'll just go to my Chrome. I'll go to my Chrome and then I'll input the link. I already searched it before. I'm just going to search it again, and it's going to give me the option to download the app, or I'm already logged in on my Chrome, so it's already opening my app here. But we can see here at the corner where it says €100. Okay, so for new app users, once you download the app, it's going to just take you directly to where you can claim the €100 coupon. All right, is that easy? Once you have this €100 coupon bundle, a lot of your items are going to be discounted. Okay, you're going to get really good discounted prices for your items. Remember, it's for new app users. If you're not a new app user, this code will not work for you. Now, if you're a new app user and you've used this code and it works for you, let me know in the comment section and we can discuss it. All right, if you've gotten value from this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.